Welcome aboard. Today we're taking you inside one of the most incredible rooms at sea, the AquaTheater suite on Royal Caribbean's Oasis Class ships. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite is breathtaking, and it is easy to see why. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by floor-to-ceiling windows and a view that's absolutely jaw-dropping. And yes, that is the AquaTheater right outside your window. But trust me, the view gets even better from the balcony. But this massive living area feels more like a luxury condo rather than a cruise cabin. One of the benefits of this suite is that everything you see, including this fully stocked beverage cooler, is included in the price of the suite. If you're running out of supplies, no problem at all. Just ask your Royal Genie to replenish your supplies and they'll be happy to do so. Another benefit included for suite guests is priority boarding, so you can check in and board the ship before the general public, reducing your wait time at the terminal, and you get early access to your suite. So even if all the other staterooms aren't ready yet, your suite will be. And of course, we can't forget our Royal Caribbean tumblers, which are included as part of your beverage package, included with the price of this room. You can refill those at any Coke Freestyle machine on the ship. There is ample storage in this beautiful room, but we have to show you the remote-controlled automatic window coverings. And this bottle of champagne and this beverage cooler are included in the price of this room. The beverage cooler you can actually take with you to the pool. Notice all the delicious food waiting on you in the room is covered to ensure cleanliness and safety, and cleanliness is certainly something that Royal Caribbean thrives on. This ship was spotless. What a view of the AquaTheater, and we will be sure to come back and check this out later in the video to get a glimpse of what it looks like during the show. But for now, we're going to go back inside and check out the bedrooms. This storage closet in the second bedroom is located right behind the door. And just look at all the storage in this huge vanity area. with a really well lit mirror and a television. And certainly an important feature on the newer ships, plenty of USB-A and USB Type-C outlets, as well as power outlets. The first bathroom is spacious and has a beautiful flower backsplash. The master bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed, private access to the balcony, and that endless ocean view right from your pillow. And a full bathroom attached. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is a full-size tub in this bathroom. And now let's access the wraparound balcony from the master bedroom. This particular ship is the Utopia of the Seas, docked at Port Canaveral. But now let's take a glimpse at the view of the AquaTheater show from this balcony and what your family or group can experience. Yes, that was an incredibly high dive. And if you're wondering where that balcony is located on the ship, it's right here. From the luxury touches to the included amenities, the incredible entertainment, and the unbeatable views, the AquaTheater Suite is the ultimate way to sail in style. If you would like our expert assistance in planning your next trip at no additional charge to you, then contact us today at marvelousmousetravels.com.